Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who don't know me, my name is Cassie aka NubianRockChick, and I'm an illustrator here in the UK, and I normally right about now show you my office, but I'm not in my office. I am in my car. A bit of a weird place to start a studio vlog, but I am starting off today, which is Tuesday the 7th of July, in my car waiting for an appointment to get my hair did. But it's going to be a new experience because this is like a couple of days after the first time they've been open since lockdown, so they're going to have some new things in there, some new restrictions, face masks, screening, lots of different things. So it will be my first experience in their barbers with all the new stuff that they've got set up and in place. It's been a busy week as usual. We did nation subs and all of that jazz. You probably saw a little bit in the last video, me preparing for that. And I also had a sale at the weekend just gone. I've managed to get all the prints out, but now I've got a big stack of orders left that are stickers, and stickers are a bit more complicated, so I've got that ready to ship out, but I couldn't do any of that today because I had to do the children's schoolwork in the morning, get everyone ready, get myself ready. So I'm hoping it's going to be a quick thing, then I can go back, get the kids and carry on with packing orders. So you might have saw in the end of the last video that my sister and my niece were here. They are helping me back again, and as how I've managed to get that last week's vlog out. There was no way I would have had any time to edit a vlog out in time whilst trying to pack orders and stuff. When I did the nation subs, they have gone out successfully and quick. We got those out in record breaking time, so all the orders that are left in my store are literally just the ones from sale. But it was a positive sale, it was really good. Thank you to all those who purchased from my shop. Like I say, it's just the stickers left because I managed to get all the prints out yesterday with the help of my sister again and my niece. Yeah, so I really feel positive about having some staff back, or having some people back to help in my studio. As much as people want to, it is very difficult to try and do everything in a business on your own. So help is just absolutely necessary, and without help I wouldn't be able to continue with posting and shipping out as fast as I do. I mean, I pride myself on fast shipping, so I really want to keep up with that, and I don't want my standards to slip as my business grows, so that's why I'm taking on help. But anyway, enough babbling. I'm going to take you to the barbers with me, and then hopefully I'll be back in my studio in a good time so I can get on with some more work today. I'm back, guys. I'm looking a bit like Sideshow Bob at the minute. But I've got my sides cut. Don't worry about all the stuff on my hair. I've just washed it and put some products in it, so that's drying. I shouldn't be touching it all like this because I'm doing a wash and go. So the sides are all looking nice. When my sorry, that was my son. When my hair's all dry, I will come back and show you a bit more closer. But yes, all looking fresh and neat. Had a delivery yesterday. I ordered some notepads. Some new notepads coming to the store. That one is Unhealed. This one is Good Book. That one is Beauty Begins. And this one is Remember. I think this one's my favourite. These two are my favourite. So they will be coming to my store soon. I am just trying to get through all the orders. We've not even finished cutting But these are some of the stickers that need to go out into orders. That's something we still need to cut, and there was still some that we needed to print. Whew, that's a lot, guys. Thank you so much. Like I said before, I managed to get the prints out yesterday. Hi guys, it is Wednesday in the studio. It is what time is it? It's 9:45. I had hopes to be in the studio a bit earlier, but it's alright. I'm here now. I managed to get up a little bit earlier. I'm trying to train myself before the kids go back to school, so we can get back into that routine of waking up and getting out the house for 9 o'clock. We shall see. But yeah, I got up and I did a workout. I've been kind of out of sorts lately, a little bit grumpy. Things are getting to me a little bit, being stuck in the house. On my TV they have like some workouts available there, so I did one of those for 20 minutes. I was dying, I tell you. I need to get into routines. I need to get exercise. I can't do these late nights. I know I say this all the time, guys. I say it all the time. In fact, I won't update you until I've formed a habit, but I need to form some habits. So I'm starting, and I'm going to try and do some movement first thing every day morning. I feel like a broken record, but yeah, I just, for my sanity and mental health, I think I need to just move in the morning, get up early and get things done, because it gives me anxiety. Yeah, so I'm babbling now, but it's earlier than I would normally be in the studio, so I'm gonna try and answer a few emails. But just quickly, I wanted to share with you, this is my office chair, and it's quite low because my desk are on these kind of adjustable table legs. My desk is quite high because I needed it to be custom to fit certain things underneath it. I did originally have the desk higher, almost like a standing desk. The reason why I had to lower the desk when I got it is because the chair that I purchased was too low. And now Hubs has bolted in, so I can't really move from that. But even so, the table's still higher and the chair was always too low. So what I did recently was I purchased a new gas cylinder, or gas lift, which is this bit here, and the one I had that comes default on here was too short. So I was contemplating getting a new chair, and all I did was look on Amazon for gas lifts, and they have them in different lengths, and I put that on and it's raised the height of my chair now. So now the chair is perfect for this table. Again, I don't understand what's happening. Maybe this needs an update. Anyway, again, the chair is perfect for the table, and I just need to use my footrest, and I feel much more comfortable because it's the proper height for my arms. And I also purchased this chair for this side of the office. The gas cylinder on the bar stool that I had previously there was a bit iffy, so I purchased this one. It's actually a drafter's chair, a proper drafter's chair, which means that the cylinder, the gas lift is higher, and it's got all the support you need, the high back rests, which is kind of like this one, but this is like a normal office chair. It's like a normal office chair, but like I say, I added a taller gas lift. Let me tell you, getting the gas lift out of this old one was a nightmare. At one point I thought that I had ruined my whole chair and I'm gonna have to buy a new one, and they're not cheap. But I kept at it, and luckily I got the gas lift out and got the chair working. But now I'm at a really good height, so I'm really happy with that. This is my haircut. I'm really pleased with it. I'm looking a bit less sideshow bob today because my hair's settled down. I probably have a few little bits still drying, and that's what happens when you do wash and go. It takes a little bit long time to dry. So I am going to get on with answering some emails. I'm going to listen to Audible book that I recently purchased. I have the Audible subscription, and I really love audio books because I don't have time. I probably do have time to read books, but I feel like I don't have time to read books. If I'm sitting down reading, I feel like there's probably something else I can do. So with Audible, I can kind of multitask. But I'm going to crack on and stop babbling with you guys today. I've exercised this morning, I'm feeling positive, it's early, I'm going to crack on with work.
You don't have very long. What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. Deadly narcotics. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've got to get a hold of yourself.
Come to the end of the vlog. I have both fans on, so you might not be able to hear me speaking properly. I've got my niece, my beautiful niece, in the studio today helping me, and we are just getting ready to do a shipment drop. I've been up all night literally changing and amending shipping prices because Royal Mail have increased their shipping prices, so I had to, it wasn't as easy as I thought it would be, do some crazy stuff and amend all the shipping prices, and that took like a whole night because I had to like change the whole process. So that took like all of yesterday. That took up all my time. So, and I wanted to show you another illustration, but I will show you that in the next vlog. And I'm going to powerhouse through the week and do the rest of the illustrations for August, because I really want to get it done and get on with starting the 2021 calendar. I don't know. I say that all the time, like we all know that I'm probably not going to get that done soon, but let's be positive. So yes, I'm feeling really energetic and positive because I've been working out every day. I've done it 7 days in a row, guys, so I really feel like it's given me some positive energy, and I'm in a really good mood. So I think why not end the vlog on a positive note. If you've made it to the end of the vlog, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one, guys.